Hey, I'm Brooke, and I wanted to review for you this great set of stainless steel meal prep or mixing bowls, whatever your use would be. But I have used the heck out of these things for several years now. So they're nesting, obviously. They range in size from the smallest being 3/4 of a quart, all the way to the largest one, a 5-quart bowl. So after many years and many uses, you can see that the stainless steel is a little, you can see that it's been used compared to this one that's been used a little less. But I have had zero issues with these. They still have, I ordered the black, there's multiple colors, but they still have their black coating to the outside. They're dishwasher safe, and I am not someone that hand washes dishes, so they have been in and out of the dishwasher many, many times. But these are a really great way to easily be able to store and have a variety of size meal prep and mixing bowls all in one easy place.